Today we'll talk about how can you create your work on your NovelToon app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here. You click here on mine down here. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here in this side, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on start your work. Then here can you select if you want to add chat story or novel here. So then it's going to show for it's going to create video on your NovelTown app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.